This is Preston Biggs, founder of PNB.com LLC. And today I'd like to go over something that I discovered. Since my eyesight is not really that great anymore, I decided to get a larger screen. And I went to a local electronics store here and found out that they had some 40-inch, it's called the Seiko TV screens. They're 4K HD, got a lot of good stuff with it, really beautiful display, and that it was on sale for a very little amount. I think it was like less than $200, somewhere along there. Well, brought it home, plugged it in. I actually took away my old small 27-inch monitor and plugged in the new one to that position. And lo and behold, I got this. It says monitor 2 and monitor 1. Well, I wanted the new one to be monitor 1, but guess what? You can't do that. It won't let you do that once it sets up. I never could figure out how to do that. So what I had to do was tell it to put monitor 2 as the primary. So I went and did some research, found out that all you have to do is when you go up to this area is you just grab this one, pull it up and over like this, and now they are, the primary would be number 1 again, number 2 again. But this is the way I wanted it to be. So this is what I did. And so that's all you have to do to make it the primary. Then we go down to the bottom. Well, there's some other things. You have to make this a primary display, and you have to tell it to only go onto the display that you're looking at, show only on the one that you want, simply because if you don't, what happens is it will actually start showing on both displays. And it doesn't work that great. It doesn't work that well. That well at all. What it does, you can't see the bottom part of the screen because of the way I've got it set up. But all of your board down at the bottom doesn't show up properly. It goes actually to the one that was the primary first time. So anyway, that's all there is to it. I just wanted to do this short video to let you know that that's what you can do when you start a new monitor and you want the new monitor to be your primary. In the meantime, this is Preston Biggs, founder of PNB.com LLC. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype at pbiggs007. Chat with you soon.